subjects, let us see some videos. Hello, this is the cam and follower. If you can see, this portion is this is the cam, this is the cam, and this part is the follower, and there is one spring is there, and there is one guide is there. So actually there is 4 elements are there, and this is the center of the cam. This is this is the axis of the cam, and this is the axis of the cam. Here both axis of the cam and the axis of the follower are same. This is the spring in the restoring, because this cam is pushing upward, and the spring is again bringing it back. So this is the guide. If there is no guide, what will happen? The cam will tilt. So it is giving a proper directions. So how many elements are there in a cam and follower mechanisms? Now cam and follower mechanism, there are 4 elements are there. One is the cam, one is the follower, and there is the spring, one is the guide. So then what type of pair? Can anybody say what type of pair? This is the cam and follower. Lower pair or higher pair? Higher pair, because the contact is the line contact. If you see, the contact between the cam and follower is the line contact. Okay. Now what is the purpose of this cam? Purpose of the cam, I will show you. That it is giving the definite direction, motion of the follower. Follower ka kokhon ki motion hobe, that it is imparting that motions. Okay. Now let us see some other videos also. And in the again, just again I am coming here, and the last one, in what we have seen. You just see the profile of the cam. You just observe in the next video when you will see so this is the profile of the cam, the outer contour. Okay, you have seen. So let us go to the next video, and where you will see the you see. Now here is a cam. The cam shape is different. That is not the same. That some profile is different. This is the cam and this is the follower. This is the spring system. So you understand? If this cam rotates, follower will go up and down. Okay. There are different types of cams are there, and also different types of follower. That we will discuss. Now what is the purpose? Let us see another cams in automotive engines. Let us see. You see. Now, let me show you. Again, this one let me show you. Let me explain. Okay. Let it come to origin some different positions that I will not be able to show you. Yes. This is the positions. You just observe it. So this is the piston, this is the piston, this is the connecting rod, this one is the connecting rod. This is the piston, this is the connecting rod, this is the crank, and this is the crankshaft. This one is the crankshaft. How many cylinders are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cylinders are operating. 4 cylinders. So 4 cylinder, all connecting rod and cranks are connected to the crankshaft. So this cylinder, what is the pistons are doing? Piston and cylinder, they are trying to rotate this crankshaft. Now as the crankshaft rotates, by means of chain or gear, we are rotating one shaft. This shaft is called camshaft. If you observe it, if in the cams, there will cams are there. There are some cams are installed on this. So these are the cam, and this is the follower. This follower is pushing, is operating the inlet valve or exhaust valve. Just you see how it is in operating, and you will see it. হ্যাঁ বলছি আমি আরেকবার বলছি engine, if you see, so this is the piston. Piston. This is the one engine, two engine, three engine, four engine. There are four engines are there. And in the engine, this is the piston. Cylinder has been removed. So piston. So this is the connecting rod, and this is the crank. This is the crank, and this is the crankshaft. There are four cylinder. There are four cylinders with the help of their connecting rod and crank, trying to rotate this crankshaft. This is the crankshaft. Crankshaft what will be there? That will be the clutch, brake, gear systems, and it will go to the fly. It will go to the wheel. So from this power will go to the wheel or rear wheel. But here, what is happening? So inlet, this valve is, it contains some inlet valve and exhaust valve. So okay, that inlet valve and exhaust valve has to be opened. Who is doing? So this crankshaft is rotating. Then by means of some gear or belt systems, we are rotating this shaft. You will see this shaft is rotating. This shaft is called camshaft. Why is it called camshaft? It contains the cam. It's cam ache. So cams are there, and cams, and this is the follower. What is the purpose of the cam? Will rotate and will push the follower, and follower will open the inlet valve or exhaust valve and all close it. So they are operating. So by these mechanisms, we are automatically operating the inlet valve and outlet valve. So you just see how it is operating in the cams. Just you will see. You see the cams are there. Just a lot of this you've seen the cams. The camshaft. You just observe it. There are cams are there, and these cams are operating and is pushing the. Once more I am operating. Now you see. So this part is the engine part. So all engine part is trying to rotate the crankshaft. This is the piston. This is the piston. This is the connecting rod. These are two. So okay. Now if we come, now if you see these portions, you will be able to see. Now you see. This is the camshaft part. In the camshaft, if you see it, this portion is the cam, and these are all cam. Can you see it? This is the cam. This is the cam. This is the cam. All are cam. Lot of cam. Why lot of cams? Because in each engine there is inlet valve. This is the first engine. First engine and inlet valve. First engine and exhaust valve. Second engine inlet valve. Exhaust valve. If this opens, the air plus petrol. So that's why how many? There are 8. 4 inlet valve and 4 exhaust valve, because 4 engines are there. So how many cams are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cams are there. So one is for inlet valve, one is for exhaust valve. So these cams are installed in the camshaft. When the camshaft is rotating, this cam is pushing it. This is the follower, and follower is opening the opening and closing the inlet valve and closing. You just observe it, how it is happening. So this is the spark plug, different thing. Again, this you see there. This is the one is the inlet valve, another is the exhaust valve. So how the cam is operating? Inlet valve ta kemon khullo or bondo closes. Automatically is happening. Just observe it. Inlet valve is open now, exhaust valve. Both are closed. Now firing is taking place. Sparking is firing. Both inlet valve is closed. Power is developed. Now this exhaust valve is pushing it. Power stroke ho gaya. The gases goes out. You see, exhaust valve is opening. Gases are going out. Gases are going out. Now you will see the inlet valve will open. Because the gases has gone out, the inlet valve has opened. Again the cam. So this cycle is come. Automatically they are operating the inlet valve and the exhaust valve. All engines. So you are getting? So now because these are inside the engines, how the man can operate inlet valve and exhaust valve so frequently? So with the help of the cam, so we are doing it. I think this is This is clear. So this is another applications. Let me show you. Another applications are there. You see the cam and follower here. You just observe it. How the balls are transported. How the balls are transported. You see the behind is there, in the lower portion there is the cam is there, and camshaft is there. You just observe it, camshaft is there, and this part is the follower. This is the follower in the cam. এই ক্যামগুলো কি করছে? You just see. If you operate, somebody is rotating the camshaft. So cams are there. Cams are pushing the followers, and this is going up and down. তাহলে বলগুলো কি হয়ে যাচ্ছে? Then the balls are being transported. এমন করে সেট করা আছে। Okay. You see the cams. So this mechanism, so cam follower push and give, we can do lot of things. There is operating the inlet valve, open exhaust valve, or giving some desired motions. সবগুলোকে desired motion দিচ্ছে। When প্রত্যেকটা কখন খুলবে বন্ধ হবে, that we can do it. Okay. You understand that? So what we, so let us stop it here. We will again show, again see the some of the videos there. Now. You understand? The purpose of this clip to give a desired